Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video we're going to take a look at Probuilder. So actually what is Probuilder? Probuilder is a really cool tool that Unity provides for us for level designing and prototyping. And it is so easy to work with it. For starting Probuilder, just go to the package manager and search for it. And if you cannot find the package manager, just go to the window and in here package manager and search for the Probuilder. So first of all, let's delete all of my disaster stuff and start from scratch. So first of all, go to the Tools, Probuilder window. By right-clicking on the tab, you can choose between use icon mode or use text mode, which is something like this. And I'm feeling a little complicated. I'm feeling a little more comfortable with icon mode, so I choose this one. So now let's check these one by one. First of them is for creating one specific game object. Now for actually using it, hold Alt and click on it. First of all, you have to choose your own object. It has cube, sphere, and door, and lots of other cool features that you can actually choose within them. And it has stair, which is really cool and really useful. You can actually set the steps, your width, your height, and actually you can actually and also you can say if you want the size or not. And after you're done, just hit the build button. Maybe you're wondering, what if my object is too special? I mean, it's not cube, it's not sphere, it's not none of them. What if? I mean, what then? So we have a UV editor in here. Just click on it and sorry. I'm so sorry for that. We have new polygon shape in here. Just click on it and try to create your own shape. For example, you can actually add vertices with clicking, and after you're done with your vertices, if you sorry, after you're done with your vertices, just actually click the first one and it will automatically create a surface for it, and by dragging your mouse you can create your own game object. By selecting a specific game object like this one for example, and select this game and by clicking on this menu you can actually change the color of it, but also you can actually change the material by drag and drop the material to the game object. And in here we have material editor that you can actually drop all of your materials and click add to actually adding all of the materials to your prototype. So now it's time to go to the vertex selection mode. Just go to it and I will actually choose this one, and if I want to actually change its position, something really fun just happened. And this one is for AIDS, sorry, and this is for the faces that you can actually change them, and each of them has its own panel. So Probuilder is actually too complicated. It is easy to understand, easy to work. Just install it and play with it for 20 minutes and you will figure out how it works. And like always, thank you very much for watching.